Hey up YouTube, how's they doing? Hope as well. Just pop down, just do a quick video for you today. Let the chickens out, let them stretch the legs and things like that. And we're just going to be looking at I believe these will be the December issues, here they are. The December issues of Grow Your Own. Try and get the titles in shot for you there. Grow Your Own and Kitchen Garden magazine. I'll see you in a sec. I'm pretty sure the last few times we've started with Kitchen Garden, so we'll start with Grow Your Own today. Let's have a look. These, as per usual, I'll tell you where I got them from. I got mine this month, from Sainsbury's. I actually struggled to get them anywhere else. I don't know if you guys have been having the same issues. But yeah, I struggled to get hold of them anywhere else. I think Asda's had Grow Your Own but not Kitchen Garden and things like that. So yeah, nothing too exciting with the seeds with Grow Your Own. We've got tomato, Craig Ella, sown February, March, harvest July to October. A heritage selection of Lisa Craig with similarly renowned flavour. The round deep red fruit are non-green back, free of darker green shoots, and around 5 centimetres / 2 inches in diameter. Doesn't say whether they, well, it probably does, somewhere. Doesn't say whether it was, whether it's determinant or not. It says it's outdoors and under glass. Tomatoes I've kind of got enough of this year, but we'll put them up there. Beetroot, Bolt Hardy, nothing really I need to say about that. That will go in the giveaways. Onion, Ciboule, Red Dragon, sown March, April, harvested all year round. Oh, right, okay. It looks like a red spring. It looks like a red spring onion. Perennial bunching onion, usually grown as an annual, but fully winter hardy. This heritage variety forms dense clumps of slender hollow stems that can be used as substitute to chives. The slender elongated bulbs are similar to spring onions with a strong flavour. They make a tasty addition to salads. Those I will be trying. March, April sowing, all year round harvesting. Those I will be trying. Spinach, perpetual. Once again, don't really need to say much about this. Everybody should know what this is. And you can't have too much of that to sow. So we'll put that for a slightly later sowing. Herb, coriander, once again. I didn't realise, but coriander is actually an all year round sow. I'm going to stick that in July. We'll stick some in midway through the year. Got carrot seed, early Neantes. They are a March, June sow. Once again, carrot seed, can't really have too much of that. So where are we? May, June, sorry, not March, June. Then we've got some parsley. Non-curly, it's the flat leaf parsley, it's the variety I actually like. So once again, that's going to be a keeper. We're going to sow that probably quite early in the year, around March, April time. Cut and come again lettuce. I don't grow cut and come again lettuce. I'm just too lazy. This is lettuce Valmain. So I don't do cut and come again, so that will go in the giveaways. Have a quick look at the cover of the magazine. There's nothing else with the magazine. There's the usual slip cover, which is a spring bulb collection of 120 bulbs. And then you've got one of my favourite things for the magazines that they do, and that's 50 jobs to do now. Festive garden projects, best ever red onions. Now, a lot of people struggle with red onions, myself included, to the point where I don't bother to grow them so much. So I'll definitely be having a look at that. So yeah, not much printed on the cover, but yeah, seems like a good read this month. On to kitchen garden. Now, looks like not too many seeds, but there's a fair few other bits and pieces in there this month. So we'll have a look. Like I say, once again, this is from Sainsbury's. The reason I say that these are from the location where I get them from is sometimes the contents change depending on different shops. So we'll start with the seeds. So there's a couple of other bits that we'll have a look at on camera together. So we've got more Elisa Craig onion seeds. Can't beat them in my opinion, and I'll be sowing them in December. We've got Musselburgh leeks. Once again, one of the better leeks in my opinion, and obviously many other people's opinion, because according to the front of the packet, popular choice for gardeners. They are sown under glass January, February, outdoors direct March, April. You know, enough said about them really. We'll go, I'll try an early sowing of leeks actually. And then a Brussels sprout, Dark Mar 21, sweet and very tasty. Sown March, April, long season on these. Sown March, April, not harvested until November, December. So we'll give these a try. So we'll go for a April sowing on those. That's it for the seeds from Kitchen Garden, at least once again for the version that I got from Sainsbury's. But you have got a copy of Container Gardening by Jason Johns. I'll read you the synopsis from the back. This book is for anyone who wants to find out more about growing vegetables, herbs or flowers in pots. This is an incredible way for you to grow plants in a limited space or even without a garden. Starting your first container garden can feel very overwhelming, as there is so many different types of container and different types of plant you can grow. This book, though, guides you through the minefield and explains everything you need to know to create your own beautiful and productive vegetable garden. This step-by-step guide walks you through, it's just saying the same thing over and over again really, but yeah, looks like something to stick at the side of the toilet. You know, it's a very basic print, although it will be, it's been given away for free, but it looks like it's a complete book. So definitely worth checking out. The other one, the next one that they're giving you, Kitchen Garden 2021 calendar. Let's have a quick look inside here. Sponsored by King Seeds. It's a very basic calendar. I was hoping it had a little bit of sow information on it, but it doesn't. It's literally just a bog standard calendar. It's going to go on the wall behind me. It will get used. But yeah, I hope that they put a bit more into this. But I mean, it's nice. The pictures are nice. Yeah, it's nice enough. I was hoping for a bit of supplementary information, but it runs from, for those that want to know, January till December 2021. So there you go. Free calendar. That's going to go on the wall in the shed once I get the shed tidied up. It's a bit of a mess. Right, moving on to the front cover of the magazine. Hold it there a sec and then I'll read it. We've got Meet the Family of Cucumber Cousins, Winter Inspiration, so planning ahead, Rhubarb Growing Guide, and So Now for Sweet Peas. I'm going to be doing a video on sweet peas. It's my first ever attempt at overwintering sweet peas, so we're going to be having a look at that in a coming video, because mine are up. They're a few inches tall, they're getting a bit leggy, which they will, so I need to look at sort of nipping them out and things like that, or nipping the tops off. Grow your own spicy salsa. Boss that frost, 7 products to keep your crops cozy. Not something I would choose to invest in. Pruning pears made easy, or care for pears as they call it. And cold weather love for your feathered friends. Cooking for Christmas. Try tasty artichokes and garden tool care, which is also an upcoming video I will be doing. Now that I've found my oils and my files and all that, we'll be looking at that. Bit of a tough one actually if I was to decide which one I would be getting this year. All 3 packets of seeds with Kitchen Garden are worth it for me, but then the ones with Grow Your Own were almost all worth it. Grow Your Own definitely feels like it's a thicker magazine this month. Looks to be a lot in there. Kitchen Garden's feeling a little scant, but the calendar's useful. The container gardening book, if you're a container gardener, could be invaluable. I'm not so much. The seeds, I suppose really, if you're a container gardener, definitely go for Kitchen Garden this month. But if you're not a container gardener, you're looking to build your seed collection for the next year. And, I mean, depending on how well the article is written, that 50 jobs list to do now, yeah, I mean, having a flick through the magazine, definitely Grow Your Own. It looks like it's got the magazine and the seeds for me. So this month, if I was to buy just one, it'd be Grow Your Own magazine. The seed collection, the headlines on the front are all more relevant to me. If you're a container grower, it seems like Kitchen Garden might be the one for you, especially if you're a container grower and you like things like squash and things like that. That looks like that was their focus. So there you go, guys. That was a very quick whistle tops. That was a very quick look at the magazines, eh? Don't forget, I try and do these every month for you. I try and get them out nice and early before the magazines are sold out. So I know, at least for me, the magazines sell out very quickly round by me. As always, like I said, these were from Sainsbury's. They are available nearly everywhere else. And obviously, if you're a subscriber, you do get less in your monthly mags, but supposedly you get more when you subscribe. I'm not going to get into that debate. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, especially if you know gardeners that buy these magazines and they've not bought them yet. Send them this video so that they know what they can look at, so that maybe they don't have to buy both magazines. Press that like button, press that subscribe button, share it to your friends, I've already said. That's it from me today. I had all the best intentions of doing loads down on the plot today, and I'm just not feeling up to it. I'm not quite myself. I've got a load of jobs to do at home and I need to go focus on those. Even though, oh, if I crack this door open, it's like, oh! The sun is out in force today. It's beautiful outside. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a chill out day today. I need a rest. I'm going to have a chill out day today, and I'm going to come back down tomorrow with a renewed oomph and gusto, and get some more videos recorded and get some stuff done out on the plot. There's loads of little projects that I want to get tidied up, which for me is what autumn's all about, is getting tidied up, getting ready. I'm not doing so much sowing now, not so much planting. I've got the chicken run to build. I've got a trailer sort of lock-up-y thing to build. So yeah, I've got a fair few little projects on. Don't know whether they're going to be individual videos or whether I'm just going to do a montage, an 80s montage. We're gonna need a montage. Ooh, it takes a montage. Anyway, I'm waffling. Guys, thanks very much. This is going to be a Wednesday video. I'll see you Sunday. Ta-da.